Good afternoon everyone. Let's do problem sums of exercise 2.4. So our first problem is a factory produced 15,35,798 bulbs in 2015 and 22,85,905 bulbs in 2016. Find the increase in the production of bulbs. In this problem, numbers of bulbs produced by a factory in two consecutive years, that is 2015 and 2016, are given. As we see that the number of bulbs produced in 2016 is greater than the number of bulbs produced in 2015, so there is certainly an increase in the number of bulbs produced. But how will we find the increase in number? Easy, by subtracting smaller number by the greater number. So children, let's see the solution. But first of all, keep one thing in mind. To avoid any mistake, write the number of digits in place value chart. So the solution is bulbs produced in 2016 minus bulbs produced in 2015, and you will get increase in production of bulbs. And children, I am sure you all can easily do the subtraction on your own. Yes? Now we come to question number 2. The question number 2 is the sum of two numbers is 37,98,905. If one of the numbers is 8,90,905, find the other number. Children, if I ask a simple question, the sum of two numbers is 10. If one number is 6, find the other number. You will be quick to answer. 10 minus 6 is 4. In the same way, sum of two numbers and one of the number is given here. And to find the second number, just subtract the number 8,90,905 from the sum of two numbers, that is 37,98,905, and you will get the second number. Now we come to question number 3. It says there are two numbers, one of which is 25,87,925 and the second number is 2,87,887 less than the given number. Find the second number. Here the term less than implies subtraction. And to get the second number, just subtract 2,87,887 by the first number, that is 25,87,925, and you will get the second number. Now we come to question number 4. It says what should be added to 2,87,098 so that the sum becomes 3,09,103. Now children, don't get confused by the terms what should be added and sum used in the question. Here again we have to use operation of subtraction. Just focus on two numbers. Just like question number 2, again sum of two numbers and one of the number is given here. So to get the second number, subtract 2,87,098 from the sum of two numbers 3,09,103, and you will get the required number. Now the time is for question number 5. Question number 5 is the difference of two numbers is 1,09,253. If the greater number is 2,02,020, find the smaller number. What a beautiful number, 202020. Now children, what is difference? Difference is the answer that we get when we subtract smaller number by a greater number, or it is answer of subtraction. As in previous question, difference of two numbers and one of the numbers are given here. And the solution is greater number 2,02,020 minus difference of two numbers, that is 1,09,253, and you will get a smaller number. Question number 6 says the population of a city was 37,28,205 in 2017, and in 2018 it becomes 37,29,519. Find the increase in population. Don't you think this problem is exactly like question number 1? Yes, the population of a city increased in the subsequent year. And to find how much did it increase, let's see the solution. Now, the population of a city in year 2018 is 37,29,519 minus population of a city in 2017, that is 37,28,205, and you will get increase in the population. Now question number 7 says the population of a city is 5,23,503 if the number of males is 2,98,825. Find the number of females. So here total population and number of males in a city is given. To find number of females, subtract 2,98,825, that is number of males, from the total population, that is 5,23,503, and you will get the number of females. Question number 8 is Vijay's van travelled 1,37,825 km in 2016. Rahim's van travelled 1,40,207 km the same year. How many kilometers Rahim's van travelled more than Vijay's? Now in this question, we see that the distance covered by Rahim's van is more than the distance covered by Vijay's van in the same year. Solution is Rahim's van travelled 1,40,207 km minus Vijay's van travelled 1,37,825 km, and you will get the required answer. So, Rahim's van travelled, write the answer here, dash kilometers more than Vijay's van. Now we come to question number 9. Ashok wanted to buy a new car, which costs rupees 4,28,825. He had rupees 3,79,500 and borrowed the rest from a bank. How much money did he borrow from the bank? So solution is, first write the cost of the car, that is 4,28,825. Then subtract amount he had, that is 3,79,500, and you will get the money he borrowed from the bank. Now we come to question number 10, the last question of this exercise. The total sale proceeds of a super bazaar in the month of February 2018 was rupees 68,70,813. If the sale proceeds for the first 2 weeks was rupees 18 lakhs 925 and rupees 21 lakhs 50,708, find the sale for the remaining 2 weeks. In this question, total sale and sale in the first 2 weeks of February are given. Now children, this is a typical question because here we have